Hello and welcome to this assignment walkthrough video for the DHIS2 curriculum developed by Logical Outcomes. My name is Nicholas Santillo, and in this video, Sarah Godden will lead you through how to add a DHIS2 app to your smartphone.
Hi, Sarah here from Logical Outcomes. Today I want to show you how we add different DHIS2 applications to an Android emulator so that we can test our DHIS2 mobile apps. So there's a few mobile apps that are official releases, and although they're available on the Google Play Store, they're also available on GitHub. Now I'm looking at our DHIS2 curriculum in OneNote, which is also available on GitHub, but what you could do is simply Google it. So there's 4 apps that we're going to take a look at in future videos, but let's start with one today. Let's start with Event Capture. So you can search in GitHub to find the Android Event Capture, and this is a list of all the releases that have come about. Now, you want to make sure that the version of the app you're using was designed for the version of DHIS2 that you're running or a previous version. So if I go into my DHIS2 instance and I visit About DHIS2, I can see here that I'm running version 2.22. So I'm going to want a release version that's either 2.22 or less than, and it's through this testing that we'll find the best version to match our phone. Now in this case, in some cases, there's only 1 or 2 releases, so there isn't really much to decide, but let's take a look. Now in the names I can already see, this is for 2.22, it's a pre-release. We've got a previous version that was designed for both. 2.20. Okay, so this particular version is actually one ahead of what I need, so I'm not sure that that would work for me. So I'm going to go for this 2.20 version. So let's click to download the file. I want to download the APK. Then to install it, it's pretty easy. So in a previous video, we showed how you get Genymotion, which is an Android emulator that we use to test our mobile apps. So previously I added a Google Nexus 5, and I believe this is a tablet. So let's run it. Let's press start. Now I've downloaded the APK file on my computer. So what's nice about testing on your computer is you don't have to actually go through the hassle of really downloading apps. So once my device loads up, what I'm going to do is just click and drag this onto my device. Then it should install automatically. So let's see that process once. And then what I'll do is I'll go back and I'm going to add the different apps. I'm going to add the Tracker Capture app and the Dashboards app. Okay, so I'm into my phone for the first time, and I haven't changed or set up anything. But as mentioned, I can click and drag the app onto my phone. File transfer in progress. It should install. So I'll let that happen in the background, and I'll return to the notebook page. As mentioned, there's a few other apps we're going to test in future videos: Data Capture, Tracker Capture, and Dashboard. So each of these has their own page on GitHub where you can find the list of latest releases, and you'll want to find and test the version that's right for you. So join me in a future video and we'll actually look at these individual apps.
That's all for now. As always, you can get in touch with us at info@logicaloutcomes.net or on our YouTube channel, Logical Outcomes, or on github.com/logicaloutcomes. Thanks so much.